We now have product usage inside of the product. So if you go to the organization tab and then click on billing, you'll be able to see the product usage reporting. In here, we have 3 different charts. We have the all usage by connector type, and you can see this is done by month. And then on the right-hand side, you can see the connector type. This count of records updated are the records that were successfully updated each month by connector type. And then we have the billable usage by connector type, which is essentially the chart above minus the destinations and the sync types that we don't bill for. And so the destinations that we do not bill for are Google Sheets. We do not bill for Slack. We do not bill for Airtable, Microsoft Teams, and Salesforce Sandbox. So those are the non-billable destinations. Anything outside of those that I've listed are billable, so will be included in this second chart. And we also do not bill for manual syncs, so those that are manually run. So if you do click manual run, those will not appear in this second billable usage chart. And then we have the all usage by sync type. As you can see, the reason here is manual. So as I said, this manual is not a billable reason. So if you've manually run a sync, it will not be included in your billable usage. And that's it.